Today, we are diving into our Hotel Vocabulary Masterclass, 100 words you need to know. I promise that by the end of this video, you will feel 100% confident checking in, ordering room service, and talking to staff in English. Let's get started. Check-in. Check-in. Please complete your check-in at 3. Suite. Suite. Our suite has a large balcony. Keycard. Keycard. Don't forget your keycard in the room. Lobby. Lobby. Meet me in the hotel lobby. Elevator. Elevator. The elevator is next to the stairs. Bellboy. Bellboy. The bellboy will take your bags. Reservation. Reservation. I have a reservation for 2 nights. Balcony. Balcony. My room has a beautiful balcony. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Housekeeping cleans the rooms every morning. Towel. Towel. Can I have a clean towel? Safe. Safe. Keep your passport in the safe. Minibar. Minibar. The minibar has snacks and drinks. Room service. Room service. I want to order room service. Menu. Menu. Look at the room service menu. Breakfast. Breakfast. Is breakfast included in the price? Gym. Gym. The gym is on the first floor. Pool. Pool. Let's go to the swimming pool. Spa. Spa. I need a massage at the spa. Concierge. Concierge. Ask the concierge for city maps. Receptionist. Receptionist. The receptionist is very helpful today. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment about your favorite hotel experience, and subscribe for more English lessons. Buffet. Buffet. The breakfast buffet is very delicious. Receipt. Receipt. Please give me a printed receipt. Manager. Manager. I want to speak with the manager. Porter. Porter. The porter carries the heavy luggage. 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 Put your luggage on the trolley. 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 Use the trolley for your bags. Hanger. Hanger. Put your coat on a hanger. Blanket. Blanket. I need an extra warm blanket. Pillow. Pillow. This pillow is soft and comfortable. Slippers. Slippers. Wear the slippers inside the room. Robe. Robe. There is a bathrobe in the closet. Shampoo. Shampoo. We need more shampoo and soap. 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 The soap smells like fresh lemons. Mirror. Mirror. There is a mirror in the bathroom. Remote. Remote. Where is the TV remote control? Air conditioning. Air conditioning. Turn on the air conditioning, please. Heating. Heating. The heating keeps the room warm. Kettle. Kettle. Use the kettle for hot water. Mug. Mug. There is a clean mug here. Tea. Tea. Would you like some herbal tea? Coffee. Coffee. I need a cup of coffee. Sugar. Sugar. Please bring some extra sugar packets. Milk. Milk. Is there fresh milk in the fridge? Napkin. Napkin. Put the napkin on the tray. 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 The waiter carries the food tray. When asking for something in a hotel, always use could I have or may I have to sound more polite and professional to the staff. Order. Order. I would like to order dinner. Bill. Bill. Can you bring the final bill? Deposit. Deposit. We require a small cash deposit. Identity. Identity. Show your identity card at reception. Passport. Passport. I need to copy your passport. Signature. Signature. Please put your signature here. Confirmation. Confirmation. Did you receive the confirmation email? Availability. Availability. Is there any availability for tomorrow? Vacancy. Vacancy. The sign says there is no vacancy. Twin. Twin. I want a room with twin beds. King size. King size. We prefer a king-size bed, please. Extra bed. Extra bed. Can we have an extra bed? View. View. Does this room have a sea view? Stairs. Stairs. Walk down the stairs to the lobby. Corridor. Corridor. The ice machine is in the corridor. Floor. Floor. My room is on the 5th floor. Doorman. Doorman. The doorman opened the taxi door. Parking. Parking. Is hotel parking free for guests? Garage. Garage. Park your car in the garage. Shuttle. Shuttle. Is there a free airport shuttle? Check in and check out can be used as verbs. I want to check in or nouns. Check in is at 2 p.m. Notice the small change in how we say them. Laundry. Laundry. I have some laundry for cleaning. Dry cleaning. Dry cleaning. Can you do dry cleaning for suits? Iron. Iron. I need an iron for my shirt. Ironing board. Ironing board. The ironing board is in the closet. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. Is there a hair dryer in the bathroom? Toiletries. Toiletries. We provide basic toiletries for free. Stationery. Stationery. You can find stationery on the desk. Pen. Pen. Use this pen to sign in. Telephone. Telephone. Use the telephone to call reception. Alarm. Alarm. I need to set the alarm. Wake-up call. Wake-up call. Can I have a wake-up call? Late checkout. Late checkout. I requested a late checkout today. Early check-in. Early check-in. Is an early check-in possible now? Smoking. Smoking. This is a non-smoking hotel. Non-smoking. Non-smoking. We only have non-smoking rooms available. Pets. Pets. Are pets allowed in this hotel? Staff. Staff. The hotel staff is very friendly. Security. Security. Security is available 24 hours daily. Camera. Camera. There are cameras in the lobby. Fire exit. Fire exit. The fire exit is clearly marked here. Map. Map. Can I have a city map? Brochure. Brochure. Read the brochure for local tours. Tour. Tour. We want to book a tour. Booking. Booking. I want to change my booking. Cash. Cash. Do you accept cash or card? Many hotels have a do not disturb sign. If you hang this on your door, housekeeping will not enter your room to clean. Card. Card. Pay with your credit card here. Payment. Payment. The payment was successful. Thank you. Tax. Tax. The price includes the local tax. Service charge. Service charge. Is the service charge included already? Tip. Tip. I left a tip for housekeeping. Guest. Guest. Welcome to our hotel, dear guest. Welcome. Welcome. We hope you feel welcome here. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a safe trip and goodbye. Stay. Stay. Enjoy your stay at our hotel. Holiday. Holiday. I am here on a holiday. You've just learned 100 essential hotel words. If this masterclass helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical English lessons. Practice these words on your next trip, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.